So this is the piece of frozen bread. I just took it out of the freezer. This is my semolina bread. Okay, so it is frozen. I've set a timer for 10 minutes and I'll be back to check it if it's defrosted. Sometimes I do this and sometimes I put it into toast, and the toaster, it takes a little longer to frost and then toast, but that works also. But if I want a piece of soft bread that isn't toasted, I'm just going to defrost it on the counter. Hello. I'm not going to show you what I look like this morning, so you're just going to see bread and my nails. So let's see. At 10 minutes, the bread is softer, but still frozen in parts, and it's cold. So I'm going to set my timer for another 5 minutes and come back. Okay, we are 5 minutes later. It is all defrosted, completely defrosted, no frozen parts anywhere. I'm squeezing a lot, believe it or not, really pushing. It is just a little cool from being on the counter. So perfectly edible, be delicious with jelly on it or some sandwich meat, or peanut butter would be my choice. Peanut butter with cinnamon, spreadable cinnamon honey that a certain friend named Jean sent to me. If you're watching this, I'm obsessed with it now. Thank you so much. It is soft. You can see this, right? Completely soft and fluffy. And other than the fact that it's not warm, it is exactly like fresh baked. And finally, a few minutes later, it is not cold. There's no frozen bits anywhere. And it is soft and fluffy. See that? Let me tear it one-handed because I'm holding the camera. But look, this is completely, perfectly, exactly as baked, even though it's been frozen. I promise. Yummy. And again, this is my semolina bread if you're interested. It's a very soft, fluffy bread.